Welcome to our channel. Here's a recipe for ginger lemon detox water. Wait! Before starting the burn belly fat video, I introduce you with Icaria lean belly juice, smoothies which will help you to lose belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1-2 inches of fresh ginger, sliced or grated 1 lemon, thinly sliced 4-6 cups of water 1.5 liters, optional. A few sprigs of fresh mint leaves. Instruction 1: wash and peel the ginger, then slice it into thin rounds or grate it for more intense flavor. 2: wash the lemon thoroughly and slice it into thin rounds. 3: in a large pitcher or jar, add the ginger slices, lemon slices, and mint leaves. 4: pour the water into the pitcher. 5: stir the ingredients gently to combine. 6: cover the pitcher or jar and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to infuse. 7: serve the ginger lemon detox water chilled. You can strain it if you prefer not to have ginger and lemon slices in your drink or leave them in for added flavor. We're ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Get Icaria lean belly juice smoothies. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video and thumbs up, share, comments, and subscribe my channel.